Oh, Catherine is here. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's my old friend. Welcome back, Catherine. Thank you for a reorder. Thank you so much. Let's move on. It's okay. Not sure spacer. Let's move on. Yeah, let's order. Let's go. Okay, great. 20 back. Great. A royal purple and blue canvas right here. One more. Thank you, Johanna. Johanna, thank you so much. All right, let's go. Wow. Very next. Okay, one more. Live. Okay, I got a light purple cat eyes. A moonlight neck. Light purple moonlight. Moonlight spacer. Okay, well, unstoppable. So let's move on. Moonlight and cat eyes. Yeah, but this is our natural spacer beam. Yeah, to make your brush much faster. You can also go ring. You can also go earring and a ring. Because we do have so many friends that go rings. Let's go charm, right? Don't go ring. Let's go charm first. Yeah, Anna, right? Let's go charm first. Go charm first, and then go ring, right? Go ring and then go earring and also go brush, right? And let's go charm first. One more. That's very nice. Yeah, smoky star right here. So we got number 6 now. Yes, Anna. Yeah, before we go ring and go earring or go brushing, let's go charm first. All right, let's go. A rare purple blue miss right here. Okay, did I miss one? Let's move on. Thank you, Assy. Thank you for tapping, Assy. Come on, let's go for 300k like today. We have so many amazing. That's amazing, right? One more. Yeah, get more gifts. Yeah, more tapping, more tapping gifts. No. Okay, we got 8 right now. One more. You don't know you're beautiful. Okay, blue and thank you, Kimberly. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, I love this one. Purple and champagne color mix right here. Yeah, it does come with so many holes right here. You can go for your pens, you can go for your rings, and also you can go for your bracelet for sure. So we got a team now. Thank you, Nico, Johanna. Thanks so much for coming. So one more. Now the moonlight space. Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Oh, damn it now. One for pose shape. Okay, one for pose, not heart shape. 18k silver play one. I haven't stopped tapping. Thank you, Rosemary. Oh my, thank you so much, Rosemary. One more. Okay, one moment. Let me show closer. This is our natural spacer bead. Yeah, to make your bracelet much fancier. And also you can go for the pens, keychain, also for your earrings. Okay, great. Let's go. Me too, Rosemary. Thank you, Johanna. All right, that's great. Yes, gorgeous. All right, yes, basically. And also this one, let's see here. I'd like to tell the good news. Yeah, yesterday, our Anastasia, my dear friend Anastasia, she just did a wonderful testing on this natural spacer bead. Yeah, she has done the testing with a paint remover and pure alcohol and some how can I say the word? Yeah, she's done testing and the results super good. Yeah, enjoy.